as the first ever Jaguar I-Pace eTROPHY Series races go. Good start from Evans. Oh, this was the move from Alice Powell. Oh, decisive. Came out into turn 18. Job done. Good move. And there's a little bit of a slide for Bueno. I think Radzinski might have wanted a little look into turn 14. Not really an overtaking opportunity. And as a result, Alice Powell now is right on the back of Stefan Radzinski. But Powell might be going here on Radzinski up the inside, and that's 2 places gained now for Alice Powell. She's carving her way through the order. Started 7th, now up into 5th position in the guest car. These 3 really getting close. There goes Jimenez up the inside of Senna's. Great move. Jimenez forces his way through into 2nd place. Simon Evans about to make history by winning the first ever Jaguar I-Pace eTROPHY Series. It's the checker flag and the win for Simon Evans.